What do you think about the game they are playing? Let's
Yes.
talk.
That's what. Another.
Yeah, there's so much Kalesh, yeah. You should
It's-
resonate with the Kalesh, no?
A lot of Kalesh in the lives of couples.
चलो रखो phone.
अबे,
रखो phone.
Saying यहाँ भी जो बचा कुचा है he's taking and he's
अक्षय
making it.
तुम्हारा वो मोहरा वाला जो जज्बा और वो एनर्जी and all of that, I'm not finding it in your
I think it's repetitive now.
Acha, okay, before getting into the reaction, what is your favorite reaction of Akshay Kumar that you will remember? For me, it is that one. For you,
Yeah, that one. Standing like this.
okay. For you,
Mine is that.
oh, that only, yeah.
That's stealthily.
बच्चे के जान लोगे क्या?
आने दे, आने दे, आने दे. अक्षय भाई पिक्चर को आने दे.
ओजी अक्षय को आने दे.
कॉमेडी थोड़ा लाने दे.
पिक्चरों में कलेश लाने दे.
एक तो हिट पिक्चर बना दे.
मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
So hello guys, welcome to India Today So South, another episode of So South Reacts. This is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Ponappa.
I'm Sarah Fazil.
And this is Afreen Hussain.
I like that the panel is so big. क्योंकि the cast is also big, so we thought थोड़ा बड़ा तो होने दे.
बनता
भी
है.
अपना खेल खेल में कुछ कर लिए.
हाँ, खेल में हम लोग भी खेलते हैं. So we are here to
Sounds
react to
still
the
wrong.
we are here to react to the trailer of खेल में starring Akshay Kumar, Fardeen Khan, Taapsee Pannu, Vani Kapoor, the bad news guy. What is his name?
Amy Virk
That
So
guy.
sad. You forgot his name.
No, it just didn't come.
and Aditya Seal, Pragya Jaiswal, directed by Mudassir Aziz and produced by T Series. I mean,
Yes,
Bhushan
another
Kumar.
Bollywood masala film.
But is
supposed
this
to be
like
family.
bigger than even the cast of Houseful and all?
No, that can't be. The recent poster that came, what is that? Welcome, House.
Welcome to the jungle.
The entire Bollywood is there.
he took off from Sarfira's set, landed here.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the pictures are not landing. Okay.
हम सब यहाँ या तो दोस्त हैं या कपल्स है, राइट? लेकिन किसके फोन में क्या है किसे पता? क्या कर रहे हो फोन में?
काम कर.
मर्दों का एक कोड होता है, ये एक दूसरे के चक्कर कभी किसी को नहीं बताते. कुछ लोग तो स्क्रीन ऊपर की तरफ करके भी नहीं रखते जी, बैकअप करके रखते हैं.
बैकअप करके रखते.
वो जी वो बैकअप.
Another Punjabi song.
हमारे फोन में तो
There is a template.
Yeah.
एक गेम खेल, अपने अपने फोन्स को अनलॉक करके इस टेबल पे रख देते हैं. को भी कोई कॉल या मैसेज आएगा, सबके सामने खोल के पढ़ ले.
Such game ideas only come for girls, no?
सीरियसली ये कर रहे हैं क्या?
No.
अंताक्षरी
No.
दूसरी टाइप खेल लो. अच्छा वो खेल लेते ना वो डम चरान.
Did they deliberately make him look dumb?
रात खत्म.
But he's having fun.
Public property.
Vani looks good.
मुझे नहीं खेलना है सच का सामना. कुछ है क्या फोन पे?
हमारे फोन पे तो कुछ नहीं है.
किसका? टाइगर श्रॉफ. मैं उसको क्या चाहिए तेरी बीवी से?
I need your body, Sam. काश यहाँ होते मेरे बिस्तर में.
बड़ी नंबर इसके पहले कोई मैसेज नहीं है इस नंबर से.
एक काम करना उस पे फोन करके देख ले.
ये है ना? क्या तेरी वो कुतिया सास भी है आसपास?
Listen, Fardeen looks good, guys. He's looking nice. He's working on his fitness game, okay? I think he looks nice.
Yes. Sara thinks he looks nice.
Akshay is trying to look too young. Trying to look too young.
कंसल्ट करना चाहती है प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के लिए.
कौन सी करानी थी?
नामोप्लास्टी.
वो क्यों दी?
तो संतरेनु कलिंगड़ बना.
जिसे देखो फोन
Classic Akshay Kumar move.
क्या है ये गुलामी?
What's गुलामी?
स्लेवरी. किस किस को खेलना ये मनुष्य गेम? बोलो.
I like the song entry.
खेलना लड़कियों को ये ज्यादा दिख रहा है.
खेलते रहो।
एक तो तुम हील में ऊपर चढ़ गई हो, कुछ करना यार ऋषभ, ये तो कूदने वाली है। अबे ये तो कूदने वाला है।
परफॉर्म कर रहा है प्रदीप खान।
जो कैसी यार ये यार
3 August.
स्त्री और पुरुष दोनों देखे।
That is kind of a Strike Hits 3-2, which is also releasing.
हाँ, उसको भी मारा
This
है।
movie will, I think, create a lot of kalesh in the lives of couples, I feel, after they go and watch it.
This trailer or the movie is gonna be more like Big Boss with mobiles and Kalesh given already. Yeah.
That
Akshay
is
Kumar
what is
there.
this season of OTT Big Boss Hindi.
Oh, really? I'm not watching. So, Akshay Kumar has picked up a concept and made a whole movie out
Yeah.
of it.
Another 2 months shooting, 1 month editing, 4th month release.
2
movie
months
is coming.
shooting.
Yeah,
I don't-
one location.
Yeah, I don't think 2 months also was
Yeah.
needed for this.
I think the comedy is
Okay, guys, what are your opinions? What do you think? One by one.
Who was that girl in the pink color dress?
Pragya
Pragya
Jaiswal.
Jaiswal.
Okay.
That's your opinion?
No, she looks fine. She looks hopeful. Amy Wirk looks, I think, just there, just casted. I don't know why.
He's Kismat, so.
No? Oh, okay.
it's another.
Hey, there's so much Kalesh, yaar. You should
It's-
resonate with the Kalesh, no? You should feel
What do
something.
you think about the game they are playing? Let's
Yes.
talk.
That's what I was going to say. I think this kind of game we should play in real life. It would be so much fun.
चलो रखो फोन रखो।
I mean,
रखो फोन।
wait.
Funny that he
I
reacted
told.
first.
Would you keep your phone, Sanjay? No.
Hell no.
You would keep your phone.
I would not keep from, but anybody else other than.
I would keep my phone. Afrin, would you keep your phone?
No.
कैसे यार? How are these three?
I wish you guys.
First of all, while the trailer was going on, I said these kind of games only girls come up. They're like, no. See now who wants to start playing the game?
We should play
I
it
don't
real
want to
life.
play
Who
the
wants to-
game.
said she doesn't want
I
to
don't
play.
want to play. It's not girls or guys thing, guys. It's just if you have Kalesh on your phone, you will not keep it.
Guys, coming back to the trailer reaction, I felt Taapsee also was a misfit in this script. She's not adding up.
You wanna watch her only in thappads?
Not really. Maybe she's created that kind of a stereotype that we were discussing the other
Yeah.
day of only doing movies like Thappad and this, standing up for your rights and sporty kind of movies. I'm finding it a little difficult to
No,
see her.
I like Taapsee Pannu when she was doing roles like this. You know?
Like Varun Dhawan ka picture, what was that?
What?
No,
Chudwatu.
that. Got away.
Dumb.
That's one of those movies.
Like Chashme Badur and all those roles. Even right until Mission Mangal also, where her character, it's not only about playing strong, it's about all of everything else as well. It's not just this.
Can we talk about Aditya Singh? I think this actor, I've seen him in that second part of Tumbin 2, right? And I really liked him in that. Given the fact that yes, I've seen that movie, Aditya Singh can act.
He is.
He's
Tumbin
yeah,
too.
Yeah,
I
he's
agree.
also in Student of the Year too.
Yeah.
I've not seen that, but I've seen.
He's in all twos.
Well done. Maybe he should.
Or maybe he's not being given
Show
challenging
people.
roles. Guys, talk about Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, I was just going to say we're talking about everyone. Let's
I
talk
just
about
spoke
Akshay.
about him last month. No? Why
We speak every 2 weeks.
But Afrin, what
Akshay.
did you think about Akshay Kumar?
He's in his-
He has exhausted his thing. Yeah, अभी जो बचा कुचा है, he's taking and he's
Akshay,
making it.
तुम्हारा वो मोहरा वाला जो जज्बा और वो energy and that oomph and all of that, I'm not finding it in your
I think
movies
it's
these days.
repetitive now. It's like he's set a character for himself and he's just playing it.
This panel is exactly behaving like Bollywood by not noticing Vani Kapoor. Okay, she's also there. She's a
I'm
very good
sorry, I
performer.
was just gonna come to her, and I really think that I've always liked Vani Kapoor because
Yeah,
she's A in her fitness game, and you can see that.
I think her performance is also really good in comparison to all
Yes,
the A-list.
all her, yeah.
Chandigarh Kare Ashiki, I
Yes.
was really impressed with her performance. I think the role, if there is a good role, she can actually do it.
You think she's been underutilized in Bollywood,
I do think so.
right?
Yeah.
Aditya Seal, Vani Kapoor, we would like to see them in a lot more projects.
Yeah.
For me, Akshay Kumar, take a break.
And do what? Politics?
No,
Isn't he already?
study.
We're not going there.
No, see, Akshay Kumar is also a superstar of Shah Rukh Khan's magnitude, we saw Shah Rukh Khan in a very rough phase as well.
Yeah.
This is what the phase Akshay is facing now, and this is not new to him, which is why he's still sticking to his old formula. He's
Correct.
been through it, and he came back, but then he thinks he can do the same thing again. But it's a whole different generation now. So
Yeah.
first 3-2, first 3-2,
Three
first
wins,
3-2.
3-2 on theaters.
Yeah.
This movie on OTT for me.
Yeah, me too. OTT.
Yeah.
I want to see some fun. I don't know. I want to
No,
give it a shot.
all of them, if they're releasing in theater.
Yeah, we have to review that. That's why. No, not like that. Give us
Did
the
you all
option.
just say that? Did you all just say that? Because
we
you're
watch all movies. We love cinema. Good, bad.
Yeah.
But ask your viewers to comment below.
Yeah, what do you think of this trailer? Please mention that in the comments below. Like it, dislike it. What we said, so many things. 4 opinions came out. What do you think of any of the opinions? Please mention that in the comments below. We have reacted to Citadel trailer in the morning, so please check that out. The link will be in the description. We do reactions, reviews, analysis, so many things.
Politics, main anchor, Kalesh ka symbol,
Yeah, Bengaluru.
all of it. Watch all of us.
Hey, what is Bantai for Bengaluru?
So Macha.
Macha. Maga.
Maga.
I'm Sarah Fazil.
And I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
This is Afrin Hussain.
And this is Maruti Acharya, and we are watching India Today So South.
You're washing?
Watching them.